Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, today I'm gonna do some ginger tea. I never see anybody on YouTube do it. Maybe I'm gonna be the first one who do some ginger tea. You know what I mean? So, guys, let's go ahead and do some ginger tea, the Caribbean style. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and do it now, guys. Today gonna be a very beautiful day. Please keep watching until the end. Yo, I don't care about you. All I care about my fried chicken, my fried fish, my grilled fish, my hot bitches, my white tea. Goodbye, nigga. All I care about make money, make money. I'm talking about make money. You better eat it. Yeah, you know what time is it? Lunchtime. You know what time is it? Breakfast time. You know what time is it? Super. 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 You know what time is it? Lunchtime. You know what time is it? Breakfast time. Super. 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 Yeah, this is the way I am. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. This is the way I am. This is the way she is. This is the way he is. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. Yeah. I'm going 90 on the highway. I'm driving, I'm passing. I'm stopping by the cops. Coming. Yeah. Hey, bro. Let me say that before I forget. Alright? A lot of people think I cook like grandma. They don't know I'm a countryman. I grew up in the country. I have like 75% country inside of me. The reason why, I don't buy a piece of land in Kentucky and build a house, you know what I'm saying? Because everything owned by the state. They don't sell land outside the city line. You have to be inside the city line. That's why I don't buy a piece of land in the country. Before I forget, that one is for the Kentucky man. If you're in Kentucky, you know what I mean? I need some deer and some wild turkey in the channel. I'm gonna pay you. It's not gonna be free. My channel is moving. I'm gonna pay you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pay you so you can help me get some deer, meat, and some wild turkeys in the channel. Cause I know there are a lot of wild turkeys in Kentucky. If I was somewhere in Louisiana or Texas, I would put some wild pigs. But I'm in Kentucky. I know there are a lot of wild turkeys here. Yeah, if you're in Kentucky, holler at me so we can go and get some deer meat. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pay you for that. It's not gonna be free. Just let me know if you want to do it so we can go down and get some deer meat. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure I throw you some hundreds. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna take a long time to get some deer and some wild turkey, but you have to have the license. You know what I'm saying? Not me. Yeah, baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Yeah, baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? Baby, what do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans? my rice and this. Yeah, I'm starving, mama. I'm starving, mama. Where the food at? Where the food at? Where the food at? I'm starving, mama. I'm starving, mama. Where the food at? Where the food at? Where the food at? I'm starving, mama. I'm starving, mama. I'm starving, mama. Where the food at? Where the food at? Yeah, this is the way I am. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. This is the way I am. This is the way she is. This is the way he is. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. Yeah, I like the chicken. I like the rice. I like the woman. I like the pies. I like the shit where I let it keep coming in my life for a while. There is nothing better than the Chevy with a 24. There is nothing better than a Chevy with a 22. Chevy. Yo! Yeah, what up, gangster? Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. What up, gangster? Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I am the Coleman. Everybody love me. I am the Coleman. Everybody need me. Yo. I like cars, I like women, I like money, I like cars. Guys, finally, my ginger tea is ready. Let's eat together, guys. This is my ginger tea right here. Look how beautiful it is. Very nice. Yeah, very nice, guys. Some sugar on it. That's good. I like it. Wow. It's very good, guys. Look at that. I have shrimp in that one, right? You see? It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the shrimp. Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. I like it. Yeah. Very good though. Wow. That is very nice. Very good, man. I love that ginger tea too. I like it. I like it, guys. Look at that. That's a nice fish fry, right? Very nice. Whoa, guys. Whoa, guess what? Finally, we get some KFC, guys. We get some KFC, guys. You know what? I paid $5 for that chicken. Yeah, I paid $5. Look at it now. I paid $5 for it. I'm not lying, guys. Look at it. I'm not lying. I paid $5 for it. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. It's very hot though. Very hot, extremely hot. After a while, I'm going to do some fried chicken too. Look at that fish fry. This y'all. So much grease there. So much grease on that. Wow. I'm going. Whoa. Too much grease, man. Too greasy. Too much grease in that chicken, though. Too much oil on there. Too much oil in that chicken. Look at that. Wow. Look at that piece. It's very hot though. fucking hot. It's burning in my mouth though. I got a lot of stuff to do, but I don't have all day. I mean, I don't have a night. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I mean, tonight. I'm going far away, man. I'm going 200 miles away from my city. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Come on, up the home. Look at that funny, guys. See that? Mm-hmm. 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 Wow. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm out. I have a lot of stuff to do tonight. I don't have a lot of time. So I'll see you in the next one. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Show your buddy some love. Let me go ahead and throw him trash away. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.